Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will see how to avoid highways on Google Maps. So let's start this video. Open your Google Maps application. Now over here you have to search for the destination or route you are looking for. So I will just simply search the route over here. So as you can see, I have currently selected my route, and to avoid highways you have to click on this three dot option on the top right corner of the screen. Click on options. Now over here you have to click on avoid highways. So this is how you avoid highways on Google Maps. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.